Welcome to the K&D Enterprise channel. The best way to support me is to subscribe, so please subscribe. Hello everyone. You might be wondering why this camera is off the drone. Well, it's broken off. I'm doing a repair video on that coming up right away. But one thing that I want to show you, this is for a Phantom 4 Pro or Advanced. One of the issues that I had after the crash, because these lenses screw off, and what has happened from it being jarred for whatever reason, it fits fine, but the glass, the lens part, falls out. So that is not a big deal if you're inside your house in a, I guess, controlled environment, but if you're out in the field, once that falls out, well, that's the end of that. You're probably not going to find it. So I'm going to show you a quick solution. I'll just leave this here, and I'll leave the lens there. We're going to use some of this Rust-Oleum stop leak, or leak stop, or whatever. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do it around the drone, or around, especially around your lens or anything. I'm going to take this and I'm going to spray a coating on here. It doesn't have to be really deep, but once I get the coating on there, and make sure your fingers are like reasonably clean and you don't have any of this leak stop on them, but we'll get a little coating on here, and then we're just going to roll the lens through it, and then we're going to set the lens into the ring, and you need to let it sit for about 24 hours. Make sure it's sitting down nice in there, and all should be good. So I'll turn the camera off, I'll go get the stuff on here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I sprayed some of the leak stop on there, and you want to make sure that it's, I'm just going to like let it run around here. You want it to, you don't want it really thick, because you want it very little. I mean, you want to get very little of this product onto this lens. So if you have a little bit of skill, I'm not saying that I do, but you just take it just like a wheel and roll it through. There we go, and it looks good. Okay, just make sure it's coated all the way around. Sorry if you can't see that. And it looks good to me. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it up into the ring here, and just wiggle it around and make sure that it feels like it's sealed against there. And once that's, just hold it for a second. It should stay there. Spin it around and let it dry at this point. Other than that, that's pretty much all there is to it. Don't put it onto the camera until it's dry, or else it's going to stick onto there, and that's not going to be good. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. As I say, I'll be doing a full repair on the yaw arm on this drone this weekend, so I'll get that up also. Thanks for watching.